Good morning, everybody. It's Jane
And Mike.
from Earth Care Farm. It's Sunday, June 14th, and so much has changed in the last couple weeks in the garden, and we're excited to show you around a little bit. But we are going to plant our second round of green beans today. The first round is doing beautifully. They're, I don't know, about 6 inches, 7 inches tall, which Cooper could pan in on in a little bit. And so it's time for us to do our next round so that we have a nice continuous supply of green beans. So I'm going to make my furrow. Sorry, Poppy. Making my furrow. And what's cool is that this is the last spot in my garden right now. I'm completely full, which is a good time to know about efficiency and things that we'll be ready to take out real soon so that we can free up a little space for more of our summer crops. So I've got my provider bush green beans here. Second round, you guys have already seen these. They're beautiful purple seed, but the beans will be green. And I just do a loose guesstimate of about a 1/2 inch apart. Nothing fancy. You can fit this in between lots of different things. Always time for gardening. And then we're gonna cover. And after the video, we'll water. There we go. We're now gonna walk over to our sugar snap peas that we planted in March and are now ready for picking. One of my favorites and the cameraman Cooper's favorites. All right, come take a look at these peas. So these are the peas. They first have a flower, a white flower when they're about ready, and then the little pod forms, and then they have this beautiful full pod. I take the stem off, and you just eat them. There's nothing like them. So sweet. Actually are full of sugar and crunchy and delicious. You just can't buy this at a store. You got to get this in your own garden. So, and the way to pick it is, again, to hold the top. You need 2 hands so you don't rip the plant. A lot of people commented saying that we had planted them too close together, but this is just how I do it. I plant them pretty thickly and they come up thickly, and there's plenty for everybody. I like this height. This is the sugar and snap pea. Wonderful height for me for picking, maybe a little low for Poppy, but it's great. Alongside the peas, we planted spinach and radishes. Remember that in the earlier in the season, and they have now started to bolt. A lot of you are starting to use the terms like the farmers use. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is our spinach. It came, we harvested it, it's come back, and now this is the flower head. It's bolting, going to seed. So this is ready. We can take these out, or we can just leave them. It's fine until the peas are done, and then they can all be removed. So just trying to always find little spots in your garden you can squeeze one more thing in. Anything you want to add, Poppy?
Just that Jane's showing you how fast the spinach bolted and how quickly these peas grew. You know, in the garden, you learn that time flies, and that's all the more reason to do things you enjoy, because it goes by quickly. Enjoy.
One more thing I want to add is this is a new variety of pea. This is the Beauregard. It's a purple pea. It's a snow pea. They're just coming. They're not quite ready yet, but what a gorgeous, beautiful fruit on that. So I'm excited to try those out. But these are our seeds of peace we started, and now they're here in full fruition. So many lessons from the garden.